Okay, friends, welcome to Login Science. Let's see if you can solve this question. Okay, you are given 4 divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 3. So, you have divisions. Okay, the way to solve this question, you are going to solve this question from left to the right. Okay, from left to the right. Okay, from left to the right. So this is equal to, you can write these numbers as fractions. Okay, so 4 can be written as 4 over 1 divided by 2 over 1 divided by 5 over 1 divided by 3 over 1. We carry on. This is equal to 4 over 1. Now, you are going to change division into multiplication. Okay, times. Now, the following fraction is going to be flipped. So, times 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2. You change division into multiplication. Okay, times. You flip the following fraction. Okay, times 1 over 5. You change division into multiplication. Okay, you flip the following fraction. Okay, times 1 over 3. This is equal to, you can simplify 4 and 2. Okay, 4 and 2. You can simplify. Okay, 2 by 2 is 1. 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, so this is equal to 2 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 2 over 1 times 1 times 5 times 3 is 15.